tell her information. Your name?
Yeah, my name is at Mapen.
Yes, I'm going to end my control now. I'm going to pretend to be somebody who I'm not. I can't. Sir, I said I can't.
Alright, long before we start the paper, girl for now and girl for later. Mount a girl in the data, dog, me need a calculator, girl. You know, no, me get the things, say some greater type of. The type of man forget the suck me from my neighbor. Even though me have a bag again yard, bad behavior, ask guys. Girl, I give me them life like I'm the savior and not dead. She just walk me on the left, had that she afraid I'm on a step. Look at mine, I get cut, hey, watch your razor.
Walk on people, you don't know DJ Joe there. You see me, I say, you don't know, say yo. Me never get to do no intro. I'm here paying for this video, for this prank because I just want thing we just come up, you see me? Just pop up and we just prank people with it and we do it for do no outro and nothing with it. We just do it. You see me? I say, I tell us certain thing, you see me? So basically a prank is lit. Me not lie. Me watch a video and I feel laugh to that, you know, me not lie. So you know what? Like, subscribe, share, comment if you have to, you see me? Because this is how I work, you know. I put up the lamest prank them first because I know I see no phone and say yo for making video them longer and thing. But you know I think and you know say yo we actually prank and a normal prank, you know what I'm saying? So this one is a different type of Yahoo Boys prank, different type of chopping prank, you know what I'm saying? So like, share and subscribe.
Yes, how are you doing, sir? Yeah, so I'm right here at the machine ready to send your funds. Yes. Yes, I'm at the machine ready to send your funds, Mr. Gray. Yeah, everything is set, sir. Yeah, you're $1.5 million. Yeah, everything is set. So are you ready to receive your funds, sir? Okay, I'm going to let you talk to my supervisor. I'm going to let you talk to my supervisor. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to let you talk to my supervisor. Hello, miss. You can do something for me?
Like what?
Alright, I'm just on a call with a client. So I wonder if you could have.
I'm not here for you.
Why don't you lying? Why you always lying?
No, I'll give her what you say now. Why?
Alright, I know you have to focus on metro or something.
No, man. Watch it now. You see?
I can't.
You can't do service.
But I said I can't.
Alright, yes, you pretend to be my supervisor.
No, I don't tell lies.
No, it's not lie.
Yes, I'm going to end my control now. I'm going to pretend to be somebody who I'm not. I can't. Sir, I said I can't.
I'll give you at least a 50 grand, you know.
No. Thank you very much.
No, there's something for me to Yes, Mr. Gray. Okay, my supervisor is busy. Yeah, he is busy. Hello, Mr. Gray. How you doing, sir? Yeah, Mr. Gray. How are you doing? Yes. Are you ready to receive your funds, sir? Mr. Gray? Are you hearing me, sir? I'm asking if you're ready to receive your funds. Yes, I'm at the location and getting ready to send your funds, sir. You're $10 million. Are you ready to receive your $10 million, Mr. Gray? Hello? Mr. Gray? Mr. Gray, I'm asking if you're ready to receive your $10 million. Yes, I'm almost at the send-off point, sir. Okay, I'm gonna let you talk to my supervisor. Yeah, I'm gonna let you talk to my supervisor. Hold on a bit. Miss, can you do something for me? You know what I mean by a client? Why, miss?
A girl, you accept me.
No, man. He's not a girl, miss. He's not a girl. Alright. So, yeah, got the ATM over there, so to collect some money. But the person send the money right now. So they want. Some of them want you to act as my supervisor.
You not join the lab day.
Huh?
You not join the lab day.
Ready. What's your sauce?
Huh? Squeeze. 100.
You know, some I wonder if you could have matched our work some do.
Yeah.
You have a food right? A forward in the Western Union. I don't know if you don't match it.
Yeah, what?
I have a food a forward in the Western Union and 1 mil. I don't know if you want to call it for me.
1 mil.
Yeah, man. $1 million, Jamaican dollar.
Well, line. I'm coming from American.
Alright, me show you a prayer. Chop your line, you see me? I have a food with this a forward in.
Eh?
I have a food with a forward in, but I have nobody to collect it. So I don't know if you don't want to collect it for me.
You don't send them in my name.
Yeah, they're coming a fee name. With a forward in a fee name. Not fee name with a forward in. You see me? You collect it and I get a piece of food, see me over there. So I don't know if you don't want to match that, you see me?
Yeah.
But me that. But the thing is, would have to talk to my client. Tell him say I'm a supervisor, you get me I say? Because I talk to her already, you know. But I have to tell her, say, he is my supervisor and if you send him and such and such. You get me I say? Hold on. Hold on. Hello, Mr. Gray, how are you doing? Yes, it's Godfrey right here. Yes, I'm right here with my supervisor. Yes, you say you're at the Western Union now? Okay, I'm gonna make you talk to Godfrey. Alright, everything I'm gonna say, just say. So tell her information. Your name.
Yeah, my name is at Mapen.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh!
Yeah. And my name is Market. Yeah.
You hear that? Yeah, you hear that? Okay. So tell her, say she win $10 million and you're gonna sell it after she send the money. No man, that's you have to say man. Jesus Christ. Okay.
Yeah, I will get back to you.
No, tell her say she win $1 million and she alright now that in general it's a 50 grand right here now.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
That is a start, you know. No, in general. Hello? Yeah. I'm telling you about the $10 million. Yes, US. After you send that $1 million, you're gonna get that.
Yeah, we finish my location.
Yeah, my supervisor, Mr. Henry, is right here.
Finish my location.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm finish my location. I have one more store with my week on.
Oh, you're fire. Alright, big up yourself, Major General. See you here, you know what I'm saying? This was a prank, see you see me? Nothing no go so. We're not that chopper.